Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the value of sine 18 degrees, root 5 minus 1 by 4. And also cos 36 is the root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, students. Today we are going to discuss about first sine cos 18 degrees. What, students? The cos 18 degrees. Therefore, the first one is the students. The value of cos 18 degrees is the students 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. What is the students? The cos 18 is the 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Cos 18 is the 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Okay, students? Now, my dear students, we have to know that the value of sine 18, the value of sine 18 degrees is the root 5 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, dear students, we know that cos square 18 degrees. What is the formula, students? The cos square 18 degrees equal to 1 minus sine square 18 degrees. The cos square 18 is the 1 minus sine square 18. Now this is the students 1 minus sine square 18, that is the students root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So students, this is we can written as a minus b whole square. This is the students 1. A square is the 5, b square is the 1, 2ab, that is the 2 root 5. Now 4 square is the 16. So now students, we are taking the LCM is the 16. Therefore 16 into 1 is the 16, minus of 6, minus into minus plus 2 root 5. This is the students 16 minus 6, 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16. This is the value of students cos square 18. Therefore, students, we can written as the cos 18 equals to square is sending to the other side. Then it is 10 plus 2 root 5. The root of 16 is the 4. 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. This is the value of what, students? Cos 18 degrees. So my dear students, the cos 18 is also equal to sine of 72 also. The value of sine 72 also, students, square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Okay, students. Now the second one, my dear students, we know that the value of cos 30 degrees is the root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, students. Now the value of sine of 36 degrees equal to 10 minus 2 root 5 under root whole by 4. This is the value of sine 30 degrees. My dear students, we have to know that what is the, students? We know that the sine cos sine square 36 equal to 1 minus cos square 36 degrees. The sine square 30 degrees equal to 1 minus cos square 30 degrees. Dear students, that equal to 1 minus the value of cos 36 is, that is the students root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. This is the students cos 36, root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, students. Now this is 1. A square is a 5. B square is 1. 2ab is the 2 root 5 whole by 16. Now this is the students 16 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 by 16. How can you write the student? This is 16 minus 6 is the 10 minus of 2 root to 5 upon 16. This is the value of sine square 36. Now the square is sending to the other side. Dear students, this is the sine of 36 equal to 10 minus 2 into root 5 by 4. This is the value of sine 36. Therefore, the sine 36 equal to root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Okay students, this is also the sine 36 also equal to cos of 54. Already I many times explained, if any angle subtract from 90, the 90 minus 36 is the 54, then sine will come cos. The cos of 54 also 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Okay students? Okay students, right now the sine of 22.5 degrees, root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. And dear students, the cos of 22.5 degrees, root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now students, the tan of 22.5 degrees, root 2 minus 1, cot 22.5 degrees, root 2 plus 1. Okay students? So my dear students, just now we completed the values. Sine of 18 degrees is the root 5 minus 1 by 4, that equals to cos of 72 degrees. Okay students, after then we can written as the students cos of 18 degrees is the students 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. This is the students sine of 72 degrees. Then you can find the students sine of 36 degrees is the 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. This is the students cos of 54 degrees. Okay students, then also we find cos 36 degrees is the root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is the students sine of 54 degrees. Are you understand students? The value of cos of 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. My dear students, in the cos 18 or cos 36, what we observe between plus is there, here also plus. So my dear students, the sine 18 and cos the sine 36 is root 5 minus 1 by 4, between minus is there. That is our simple observation. And here also students, the sine 22.5 is root 5 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 22.5 is the root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Tan 22.5 and cot 22.5 are the root 2 plus 1. My dear students, how to find this one? So here already I explained the formula of sin a by 2, cos a by 2, tan a by 2 in terms of cos. Okay students, how can you explain? We have to know that dear students, the formula of sin a by 2, equal to, dear students, the plus or minus 1 minus cos a by 2. Okay students, now here we can written as the students, how can you write this is the sin a by 2, that means put a equal to 22.5 degrees. A by 2 is the students 22.5 degrees. Therefore sin 22.5 degrees. So here we are taking the only plus. My dear students, 22.5 is belongs to the first quadrant. In sine is positive in first and second quadrant. So therefore we are taking the only the plus sign. 1 minus cos a. Therefore dear students, what we observed, a by 2 equal to 22.5 degrees. A by 2 equal to 45 by 2. A equals to students 45. This is the cos of 45 by root 2. Okay students, now the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2 by 2 whole root. The cos 45 value is the 1 by root 2 upon 2. This is the students we can written as root of 2 minus 1 by 2 into root 2 is the 2 root 2 under root. Okay students, root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is the value of sine 22 and half degrees. Now students, the sine 22 and half is also equal to, my dear students, cos 67 and half. What is the students? Cos of 67 and half degrees. Just you can observe the students, 67 and 22 is the so what is the student? 67 and the 22 is the 89. Okay student, half plus of 1, 89 plus 1, 90 degrees. Are you understand students? 67 plus 22 is the students 89. Therefore 1 plus 1 is the 1, that is 67 and half plus 22 and half is the 90. Okay, now students, the formula of, everybody know that what is the formula of cos a by 2? This is, we know that the cos a by 2 is the plus or minus 1 plus cos a by 2. Dear students, similarly we take 22 and half degrees, 1 plus cos 45 by 2. Okay students, so 22 and half is lies in the first quadrant, we take the plus sign. This is the students 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon root 2 by 2. So students, this is root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is also students sine of 67 and half degrees. This is also equal to sine 67 and half degrees. My dear students, now we have to find the value of tan 22 and half degrees. What students? Right now we find tan 22 and half degrees. This is the students, the tan 22 and half is the sine of 22 and half degrees by cos of 22 and half degrees. So simply we can written as the students sine 22 and half and cos 22 and half. These two are cancelled under root of root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1 under root. This is the students root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1. Therefore root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1. So this is the students. So now we are taking the rationalization students. This is, you can write minus. This is the minus. So dear students, the root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is the root 2 minus 1 whole square. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. What is the students? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 2 minus 1 is the 1. Therefore students, square and under root cancel. This is the root 2 minus 1 is the value of tan 22 and half degrees. What is the students? This is the value tan 22 and half degrees is the root 2 minus 1. The tan of 22 and half value is the students root 2 minus 1. Similarly students, we are all find the tan 22 and half is nothing but cot of 67 and half degrees. My dear students, similarly we can prove that, my dear students, similarly we can prove that cot 22 and half degrees equal to, what is the students? Root 2 plus 1. Okay students, these are the values of sine 22 and half, cos 22 and half, tan 22 and half and cot 22 and half degrees. Okay students, already we find out in the compound angle sine 15 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, cos 15 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 and tan 15 2 minus root 3, cot 15 2 plus root 3. The 15 value is also equal to, dear students, 75. The 15 in that case we can written as 45 minus 30. Okay students, sin 15 equal to cos 75. Cos 15 equal to sin 75. Tan 15 equal to cot 75. Okay students, cot 15 equal to tan of 75. Okay students, write down. So students, find the value of 1 by sin 10 degrees minus root 3 by cos 10 degrees. So students, first we take the LCM is sin 10 degrees cos 10 degrees. So now this is the students cos 10 into 1 cos 10 degrees minus root 3 into sin 10 degrees. So dear students, we know that the values of root 3 by 2, that is 1 by 2 cos of 10 degrees minus root 3 by 2 sin of 10 degrees upon sin 10 cos 10. Are you understand students? In this step we have to take into 2 by 2. What is the students? We take here into 2 by 2. We know that root of a square plus b square. A square is 1, b square is the root 3 whole square is the 3. 1 plus 3 is the 4. Root 4 is the 2. Therefore students, we are taking in this case into 2 by 2. Therefore my dear students, we can written as this one 2 into the 1 by 2 is the value of sin of 30 degrees. Into is there cos 10 degrees. Root 3 by 2 is the value of students cos of 30 degrees. This is the sin 10 degrees. Okay students. So how can you write this one? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. In the denominator is there sin 10 degrees cos 10 degrees. We have to know that what is the students? We know that 2 sin A cos A. So in this step also we are taking into 2 by 2. Therefore everybody know that what is the formula of sin 2a? My dear students, the sin of 2a, the sin of 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. The sin 2a equal to students 2 sin a cos a. This is the students, the first step here, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is the form sin of a minus b. What is there students? Sin of a minus b. So sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is the sin of a minus b equal to, dear students, the 1 by 2 into just now we know that the 2 sin a cos a is the sin of 2a. Sin of 2a is the 2 into 10 degrees. This is the students, 2 is sending to the numerator. Therefore 2 into 2 is the 4. The numerator is the students sin of 20 degrees. Denominator also 2 into 10, 20. Sin 20 cancel. This is the 4. What is the students? This is 4. Now the second one students, find the value of students root 3 cosecant 20 degrees minus secant to 20 degrees. What is the students? Secant of 20 degrees. Secant of 20 degrees equal to, my dear students, root 3 by secant is the reciprocal of sine. This is the can be written as sin 20 minus 1 by cos of 20. So students, we are taking the LCM is sin 20 cos 20. Okay students, sin 20 cos 20. This can be written as the students root 3 into cos of 20 minus of sin 20. Root 3 into cos 20 minus of sin 20. So root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20. How can you write this is the students? We are also taken up into 2. This is a root 3 by 2 cos of 20 minus 1 by 2 into sin 20 upon we can written as the students 2 sin 20 cos 20, that is 1 by 2. Okay students, so here 2 cancel. So this is the students 2 is sending to the numerator, this will be the 4. This is the sine of 60 degrees cos 20 degrees. 1 by 2 is the students cos of 60 degrees sine 20 degrees. How can you write this is sine A cos B minus cos A. 1 by 2 is the cos 60 degrees. First you can check the value of root 3 by 2. In sine is the sine 60. 1 by 2 is the cos 60. Okay students, this can be written as sine 2A. Just now we know that the sine 2A is the 2 sine A cos A. Therefore is there 2 sine A cos A. That is the student sine of 2A. 2 into 20. This 2 is sending to the numerator. 2 2s are 4. How can you write the student? This is a 4 into sine A cos B minus cos A sine B is the sine of A minus B upon sine of 40. Therefore students, this is sine 40 by sine 40. So students, these two are cancelled. We got 1. Write down students. This is the 4. My dear students, another formula is sine A into sine 60 plus A into sine of 60 minus A is the 1 by 4 sine 3A, and hence deduce that sine 20, sine 40, sine 60, sine 80 is the 3 by 16. Okay students, now the left hand side is there. Sine A, sine of 60 plus A into sine of 60 minus A. So we know that students, what is the formula students? Sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B is the sine square A minus sine square B. What is the students? The sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. We know that the sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B is the students sine square A minus sine square B. So that is the students the sine A into sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B is the sine square A minus sine square B is the A. Sine A plus B into sine A minus B is the sine square A. Sine square 60 minus sine square A. This is the students the sine of A. The value of sine 60 is the root of 3 by 2 whole square. What is the students? The root of 3 by 2 whole square minus of sine square A. This is the students sine A. We can written as the student, this is 3 by 4 minus sine square A. What is the students? 3 by 4 minus sine square A. So now students, we can written as sine A. 4 is the LCM. 3 minus, what is the students? 3 minus 4 sine square A. So dear student, this can be written as 3 minus 4 sine square A. Okay students, now this is, how can you write? This is the students 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A by 4. So this is the students 3 into sine A, 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A upon 4. So we can written as the students 1 by 4. 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A is the students sine of 3A. What is the students? Sine of 3A. How can you write? This is sine A plus B into sine A minus B. Sine square A minus sine square B. Sine 60 is the root of 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 4. This is the students 4 sine square A. Now this is the students, we have to multiply with sine A. 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A is the sine 3A by 4. So now students, the sine A, the sine of A, sine of 60 plus A, sine of 60 minus A equal to 1 by 4 sine 3a. Therefore students, we can written as, how can you write this is, put a equal to 20. What is the students? First substituting a equal to 20. So this is the students sine of 20, 60 plus 20 80, 60 minus 20 40, 1 by 4, 3 into 20 60. Are you understand students? How can you write this is substituting a equal to 20, 20, 60 plus 20 80, 60 minus 20 40. Is there? 20 is there, 60 is there, 80 is there. Therefore dear students, on both sides we have to multiple with the sine 60. This is the students, we can written as sine 20, sine 40, sine 60 into sine of 80. These are all degree students. Now we can written as 1 by 4 sine 60 into sine 60. On both sides we have to multiple with sine 60. Okay students, this is we can written as 1 by 4 sine 60 is the value root of 3 by 2. This is also students root of 3 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 is the 3. Therefore 2 2 ja 4, 4 4 ja is the 16. Dear students, this is the 3 by 16. Are you understand students? 3 by 16 is the answer. Write down students. Dear students, here we can prove that sine a, sine 60 plus a, sine 60 minus a is the 1 by 4 sine 3a. Okay students, also here sine a, sine 120 plus a, sine 120 minus a is also, what is the students? Sine a. Similarly, we can prove the student sine a, sine of 120 plus a, sine of 120 minus a is also 1 by 4 sine 3a. What is the students? 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube is the sine 3a. Similarly, sine a, sine 120 plus a, sine 120 minus a is also same. This is also students the sine a, sine of 240 plus a, sine of 240 minus a is also 1 by 4 sine 3a. Okay students, 60 or 120 or 240 or 300. This is also students sine a, sine of 300 plus a, sine of 300 minus a is also 1 by 4 sine 3a. Write down students. How can you write? This is sine a, sine 120 plus a, sine 120 minus a is also 1 by 4 sine 3a. This is also 1 by 4 sine 3a. This is also students 1 by 4. Either here 60 or 120 or 240 or 300. Okay students. Dear students, right now we saw that cos theta, cos 60 plus theta, cos of 60 minus theta equal to is also 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Hence deduce that cos pi by 9, 3 pi by 9, 5 pi by 9 and 7 pi by 9 is the 1 by 16. So students, now the left hand side is there cos theta, cos of 60 plus theta, cos of 60 minus theta. Therefore students, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. What is the students? The cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is the students cos square a minus cos square b. Cos square a minus cos square b. That is the students cos square a, cos square 60 minus cos square b. Cos square a minus cos square b. This is the students we can written as cos theta root 3 by 2 whole square. What is the students? Root 3 by 2 whole square is the 3 by 4 minus cos square theta. Okay students, therefore cos 60 is the, what is the students? Cos 60 1 by 2 whole square. The cos of 60 is the 1 by 2 whole square. This is the students, we can written as cos theta 1 by 4 minus cos square theta. So now students, we can take an as cos theta, 4 is the LCM, minus cos square theta. What is the students? When we are taking the 4 is the LCM, this is the 1 minus 4 cos square theta. 4 is the LCM, 4 into cos square, 4 cos square. This is the students. How can you write the student? This is. So first you can written as, my dear students, first cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos square A minus cos square B. So the cos 60 degrees is the 1 by 2. That is the 1 by 4. So dear students, we can written as, so this is the students, just you can, what is the students? The cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. My dear students, we can written the formula is wrong. Cos of A plus B into cos A minus B is the cos square A minus sin square B. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B is the cos square A minus sin square B. This is the students, we can written as cos square A is okay. This is the sin square theta. Cos square 60 minus sin square theta. So dear students, this is the sin square theta. So my dear students, this is sin square theta. Now this is 4 sin square theta. Are you understand students? Cos A plus B into cos A minus B, cos square A minus sin square B. Therefore students, now how can you write? This is cos theta sin square theta is the students 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is the 1 minus cos square theta. This is the students cos theta into minus 4. This is 1 minus 4 minus 3. This is the minus of minus plus 4 cos square theta minus 3 by 4. Are you understand students? This is minus into minus plus 4 cos square theta. 1 minus 4 is the minus 3. So students, now this is multiple with 4 cos theta, that is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 into cos theta is the 3 cos theta by 4. This is the students 1 by 4. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. What is the students? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is the cos of 3 theta. What is the students? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is the cos 3 theta. So dear students, hence deduce that pi by 9, 3 pi by 9, 5 pi by 9, 7 pi by 9. Pi by 9 is nothing but, dear students, 180 by 9, that is the 20. So students, we know that students cos theta, just now we prove that cos theta, cos of 60 plus theta, cos of 60 minus theta is the 1 by 4 cos 3a. Therefore dear students, we can take an as, what is the taken as the students? So here we can take an as the student, just now we completed 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Cos a into cos 60 plus a into cos 60 minus a is the 1 by 4 cos 3a. Therefore where is there theta? Undoubtedly we can take an as the 3 theta. Therefore dear students, cos theta, cos 60 plus theta, cos 60 minus theta is the 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. My dear students, substituting theta equal to 20. This is the students cos of 20, cos of 80, cos of 40, 1 by 4 cos 3 into 20, 60. So dear students, this is what happened here. This is the students 20, this is the 60, this is the 100, this is the 140. Are you understand students? How can you write? This is my dear students, this is the 20, this is the 60. Therefore on both sides multiple with the cos 60, 20. So cos of 60, cos of 80, cos of 40, 1 by 4 cos 60 into cos 60. So dear students, but our required angles are 20, 60, 100, 7 into 20, 140. How can you write the student? This is cos of 20, cos of 60, okay. This is the students 180 minus 100. 180 minus 100 is the students 80. 180 minus 100 is the 80. How can you write? This is the students cos of 180 minus 140. 180 minus 140 is the students 180 minus 140 is the 40. Now student, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This is the students cos of 20, cos of 60. So cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, minus cos theta, cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. This is also cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. In second quadrant, cos is the negative. Minus into minus plus. Therefore, this is the students, if the 180 angle, it will becomes cos 100. This is the cos of 1. Cos is the, what is the students? Cos of 140. This is the 1 by 16. How can you write this? This is the students cos of pi by 9, 20. Cos of 3 pi by 9, 3 into 20, 60. Now this is the students cos of 5 pi by 9, 5 into 20, 100. This is the students cos of 7 pi by 9, 7 into 20, 140, equal to 1 by 16. Are you understand students? This is the cos 20, cos 60, cos 100, cos 7 into 20, 140, cos 140 equal to 1 by 16. Just you can just change the 80 and 40. 180 minus 100 is the 80. 180 minus 140 is the 40. Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. Here also minus cos theta, minus into minus plus. Write down students. At the beginning students, we have to take the wrong formula. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b is the form cos square a minus cos square b. But sin a plus b into sin a minus b is the sin square a minus sin square b. But cos a plus b into cos a minus b is the cos square a minus sin square b, or cos square b minus sin square a. Okay students, first cos, next sin. Now students, here the cos, similarly the cos of theta, cos 120 plus theta, cos of 120 minus theta is also 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. So dear students, cos of theta, cos 240 plus theta, cos of 240 minus theta is also 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. And also students, cos theta, cos 300 plus theta, cos of 300 minus theta is also 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Either you can take in 60 or 120 or 240 or 300. Those are also equal to 1 by 4. Okay students. Dear students, tan a into tan 60 minus a into tan 60 plus a is a tan 3a only. Okay students, but not 1 by 4. So after we can take 120. Tan a, tan 120 minus a, tan 120 plus a is also tan of 3a. Tan a, tan 240 minus a, tan of 240 plus a is also tan 3a. Suppose students, tan a, tan 300 minus a, tan of 300 plus a is also tan 3a. Okay students. Now, right now students, we have to know that the LHS tan a into tan of 60 minus a. What is the students? Tan of 60 minus a is the tan 60. Tan a minus tan b. Tan a minus tan a. Okay, student, what is student? Tan of a minus b, tan a minus tan b, that is root 3 minus tan a by 1 plus root 3 into tan a is the root 3 tan a. Okay students, tan of a plus b, first tan a, that is tan 60 root 3, tan b is the tan a whole by tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, root 3 into tan a. Dear students, in the numerator what you observe? A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. A square is the 3 minus b square is the tan square a, upon denominator is also a square is the 1 minus b square is the 3 tan square a. What is the students? A square minus b square. 3 minus tan square a. This is also a square minus b square. Now students, 3 into tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. What is the formula students? 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. This is the students tan of 3a. What is the formula students? Tan of 3a. So this is the RHS. Now students, we can written as the students how to write this is. Just now we know that the tan a, tan of 60 minus a, tan of 60 plus a equal to tan 3a. Is there 6? Now students, put a equal to first 6 degrees, tan of 6 degrees, tan of 60 minus 6 is the 54 degrees, tan of 68, 3 into 18 is the 36. Are you understand students? First we take a is the 6, 6 minus 60 minus 6 54, 60 plus 6 68, 3 into 6 is the sorry students, that is the 3 into 6 is the 18 degrees. So 6, 54, 68, 18. But is there only students? What are there here? Sorry, this is the student 60 plus 6 also 66. 6, 60 minus 6, 54, 60 plus 6, 66. 3 into 6 is the 18. Now students, here is there 6 and 66, but not there 42 and 78. Now students, we can find, put a equal to 18 degrees, that is the students tan of 18. Now students, the tan of 60 minus 18. Okay, next one is the students tan of 60 plus 18 equal to students the tan of 3 into 18 is the 54 degrees. Okay students, how can you write this is the students? Just we can observe, this is the students tan of 18, tan of this is the students 60 minus 18 is the students 42. This is the students tan of 42 and the students tan of 78 degrees equal to students tan 54. This is the 2. My dear students, just now we observe 1 into 2. What is the students? The multiplication of 1 and 2. This is, you can write first the left hand side is tan 6, tan of 54, tan of 66. If the left hand side is there, tan of 18, tan of 18, tan of 42, tan of 78. Is there right hand side, tan of 18, tan of 54. Okay students, now what we observe students, tan 18 cancel on both sides and also tan 54 is a cancel. What are the remaining? The tan 60 degrees After then students, the tan of, what is there students, 42 degrees, and is the students tan 66 is also there, and also students tan of 70 is also there. This is the one, tan 6, tan 42, tan 66, tan 78 equal to 1. Are you understand students? Just we can prove that. First, tan a into tan 60 minus a into tan 60 plus a is the 1 by 4 tan 3a. After then, put first a equal to 6 degrees and a equal to 18. After the multiplication of 1 and 2, dear students, we got tan 6, 42, 66, 78 equal to 1. Okay students? This is today students. Tomorrow class is the very important class. Okay students, C plus S and C minus S. Okay, practice the similar model students. Thank you all.